Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to use the word zu in a sentence. Zu in English has many different meanings. For example, to or close and more. The word zu is very often used in a German sentence. Here I'm going to show you 13 different situations where we usually use the word zu. So, zu is used when we want to talk about the direction of a motion, or when we're talking about a specific time, when we want to express the manner or tell about the result of a process, when we want to express that we have too much of something or that something is too small. It also expresses that we're closing something. You will also find zu in a combination with an infinitive, which would mean that something is possible. Also in the sports language, we often find the word zu, for example in football. Then zu is also used when we want to express that we're going to an event or to a professional. It's also used in combinations with activities or with a relationship. And at the end of this video, we are going to learn about the phrase nur zu. Let's start with the first one. As already said before, zu is used when we want to talk about the direction of a movement. Let's take a look at the first example. Sie geht zu einer Freundin. Sie geht zu einer Freundin means she's going to a friend of hers. Freundin is a female friend. She's going to a friend of hers. Second example. Die Katze läuft zu mir. Die Katze läuft zu mir means the cat is running to me. Zu is also used when we want to express a specific time. For example, zum Schluss gab es dann noch Kaffee und Kuchen. Zum Schluss gab es dann noch Kaffee und Kuchen means at the end there was also coffee and cake. In English you would probably rather say at the end they also served coffee and cake. Zu is also used when we want to express the manner of an activity. For example, A is asking, ist das Museum weit von hier? And B is answering, nein, man kann zu Fuß hingehen. Let's repeat. Ist das Museum weit von hier? Nein, man kann zu Fuß hingehen. Means, is the museum far from here? And B is answering, no, it's in walking distance. Zu is also used when we want to tell about the result of a process. For example, Paul wurde zum Abteilungsmanager befördert. Paul wurde zum Abteilungsmanager befördert means Paul got promoted to the manager of department. So, Abteilungsmanager here is the result of a process. Zu is also used when we want to express that we have too much of something or that something is too small. First example. Dieser Mantel ist zu groß. Dieser Mantel ist zu groß means this coat is too large. Second example. Im Tee ist zu viel Zucker. Im Tee ist zu viel Zucker means there is too much sugar in the tea. Zu expresses also that we want to close something. For example, ich mache das Fenster zu. Ich mache das Fenster zu means I'm closing the window. Second example. Das Geschäft war schon zu. Das Geschäft war schon zu means the shop was already closed. You will also find zu in a combination with an infinitive. This happens when we want to say that something is possible or necessary. For example, hast du noch viel zu tun? Hast du noch viel zu tun? Means, do you still have a lot to do? Zu is also used when we want to express a relation, for example, in a football game. Let's take a look at our example. A is asking, wie steht's? And B is answering, es steht 2:1. Let's repeat. A is asking, wie steht's? And B is answering, es steht 2:1. So what are they talking about? A is asking, what's the score? And B is answering, the score is 2-1. The question, wie steht's, is only used in the spoken language. We carry on. Zu is also used when we want to say that we're going to an event. For example, kommst du morgen zu meiner Party? Kommst du morgen zu meiner Party? Means, are you coming tomorrow to my party? Zu is also used when we're going to a professional. For example, Paul geht zum Optiker. Paul geht zum Optiker means Paul is going to the optician. You'll also find the word zu in a combination with activities. For example, wir werden uns morgen zum Lernen treffen. Wir werden uns morgen zum Lernen treffen means we will meet tomorrow to study. Zu is also used when we want to express a relationship. For example, die Blumen passen nicht zur Dekoration. Die Blumen passen nicht zur Dekoration means the flowers do not match the decoration. Second example, die Katze gehört zu mir. Die Katze gehört zu mir means the cat belongs to me. And our last one, the phrase nur zu. In English you would probably say, be my guest. Here's one example how to use this phrase. Diese Süßigkeiten sind lecker. Kann ich noch mehr davon haben? And B is answering, nur zu. So what is A saying? That the sweets are very tasty, and then he's asking if he can get more of them. And B is answering, nur zu, which means, sure, take more. That's it, now we know when to use the word zu. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video.